What's going on, guys? My name is Joshua Daniel George. Welcome to a new video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can earn money with Clickbank by using Facebook. What's going on, guys, and welcome back to the video. So like I said in the introduction, today we're going to be using Facebook to get conversions on Clickbank. Now, before we actually begin the video, I just want to mention that if you are serious about affiliate marketing, if you want to get started, get the ball rolling and go from zero to hero with it, then we have a free masterclass. It will all be linked in the description box down below. And like I said, it'll be one big explanation from A to Z how you can get started and start earning money right away, start earning money online, and be able to work from your laptop wherever that may be. Okay, so like I said, today we are going to be using Facebook free traffic to get conversions on Clickbank. And one of the reasons, or one of the methods that we are going to use for this, is Facebook groups. And I've already made a video on this where we basically infiltrate other people's Facebook groups and basically post our Clickbank offers there. But there's also another way to go about it, another way that also generates leads, so we can also capture the emails and actually send them emails after we've actually posted. And it's basically a method that you own yourself, so you can actually own this rather than infiltrating other groups. Okay, now what I am talking about, because I understand that is very broad, that is very vague, what we are going to do is create our own Facebook group, infiltrate other groups to siphon the leads from those groups to our own group and capture the emails for those that want to join. Okay, so what we are going to do is basically a 4-step process. Okay, step number 1 is pick a Clickbank product. Step number 2 is create a Facebook group. Step number 3 is create a profile funnel, which I'll get to in just a moment. And step number 4 is siphon or engage with other groups to get people into our own group. Okay, 4-step process, very simple. First thing we need to do is pick a product. Now, for those of you that want to follow my own journey, because I also have a affiliate marketing YouTube channel, it's called Joshua Daniel George. I'm showing you guys my journey of earning money with Clickbank. I will link it in one of the comments, and basically I'm showing you guys how I run Facebook ads to Clickbank products as well. So if you're interested in that, make sure you take a look at my own YouTube channel. Okay, the products that I'm doing on my own YouTube channel are white hat, but because we are not bound to Facebook's policies, we can also go for something a little bit more grey hat, a little bit more popular. For example, e-business and e-marketing, like earn money online type stuff. So let's see what we've got. Pay-per-click, promotion, business and investing. Let's see what we've got here. Forex trading is actually a good one. International business. Let's just click on the whole category and see what we can find. I don't want to spend too much time on this, guys. I just want to pick one because it's obviously all this is for educational purposes only. What's life coaching? Let's see what this is. Steve G. Jones training. Get certified as a life coach. Life coach. So what is it? It's a course. Okay, the course is $39, 60-day money back guarantee. Okay, I'm looking for something a little more, I don't know, something that pops out a little more. If not, we'll just go with that. I'm fine with that. Actually, there's a product that I got, my very first conversion with Clickbank was with millionaire mindset or something like that. Let's see if we can find that, because that'll be a good one for this. Here we go. Overnight millionaire system, Wesley billion-dollar virgin. So let's say we choose this product, yeah? It's a mindset course. It's $29. It's got no upsells. Is that correct? Yeah. Okay, so no upsells, 306 gravity, and then the initial sales $29. So let's say we want to promote this product, yeah? What we can now do is create a Facebook group that is relevant to this, to basically promote this product. So as you can see, this is my own personal Facebook profile. As you can see, I've got tons of Facebook groups here. If you want to create your own group, you go onto the right hand side, That's actually not true. How do you create a Facebook group? Let me quickly check. It's been a while since manage groups. There we go. It's been a while since I've created a group. Create group here. So what you do, right top, and then go to manage groups, and then create group. Okay. From there, once you create your group, you fill out the name of the group, so it has to be relevant to the overnight millionaire. So you can call it something like millionaire mindset hacks, millionaire hacks, and then if you want, you can even attach your personal brand to it. So let's say your name is John Smith, you can call this the millionaire mindset hacks with John Smith. Okay, then you add some people, so you can just add regular emails to it, or you can add people that you've got friends on Facebook. Select the privacy. It needs to be public. No, my apologies, it needs to be private, but people need to be able to find it. Okay, so anyone can find this group, but the group is private, which means that they need to request access to it if they want to be able to basically attend this group. So my name is Joshua George, so we'll call this Joshua George's Millionaire Mindset Hacks, and I'll just call it demo. Okay, just so people don't actually become a member of this group. So as you can see, private, visible, create. Okay, then obviously you upload a photo, you upload an image and stuff like that. You don't actually upload an image, you only upload a photo. It's not a Facebook profile. But then what I want you to do is go to, let me just quickly see how you do that. Edit group settings. Okay, and then what I want you to do is, this is the secret, guys. This is the juicy stuff. This is how we gather emails. Okay, membership pre-approvals. No, membership questions. So membership requests. Learn more about people who want to join your group by asking them some questions. You can ask up to 3 questions, and only the admin and moderators, which is you, will be able to see the answers. Okay, so ask questions. One of the questions need to be basically something that will get them to give their email address. So we can say something like, to validate that you are a real person, please fill your email address in. Or if you want to receive the Millionaire Mindset freebies, fill in your email address here. Okay, so if you want to receive the Millionaire Mindset freebies, fill in your email address. Okay, now everyone who does not fill in their email address, obviously you can approve them to the group, but we actually want these people to fill out their email address. So make it mandatory, and basically explain to people that they do need to fill it in, otherwise they can't actually become part of the group. So we save that. Only admins and moderators can approve. Okay, so now everyone who requests access to this group will need to fill out their email address, and now you can find software to basically add all these emails to a sheet, and then you can use, for example, Zapier to add them to an email list. But if you are just starting out and you've got no cash flow to actually pay for software, guys, it's literally dirt cheap. I think it's like $10 a month for this. But if you want to save on money and only start investing into software as soon as you start getting conversions, which is understandable, what you can do is add the emails to your Google Sheet yourself. Okay, so what you do is you wait for people to, let's say you wait for 5-6 people to request access to the group. Then you do it in chunks of 5 or chunks of 10, and then you add them to a Google Sheet. After you've added them to the Google Sheet, you approve these people into the group, because after you've approved them, you cannot see their email address anymore. Okay, so you need to do it when the request is still pending. Okay, so from there, you've got your Facebook group, you've got your Clickbank product. All you need to do now is find relevant groups to engage with. So let's do mindset groups. Okay, so mindset. Oh yeah, this looks like a good group, guys. Millionaire Mindset Hacks. Nah, just kidding. So what we do is we search for mindset, and then on the right hand side you click on groups. Then you literally find groups with multiple posts a day. The more posts a day, the bigger the group, the better it is for you, because if you're the only one posting, it's no point. So Mindset Motivation Tips is a group with 120 posts a day, so we'll click on that one. Growth Mindset 50 posts a day, that's fine. Millionaire Mindset Entrepreneurs Club 310 posts a day. Billionaires Mindset 250 posts a day. Entrepreneur Mindset Group, and so on and so forth. Okay, now try and become a member of at least 10 groups, and post at least, let's say, 2 to 5 times a day in each of these groups, okay? Now, I don't want you to promote your own Facebook group. I don't want you to promote the Clickbank products. The way we're doing it today, because we need to siphon those people into our group so we capture their email address and it's basically traffic that we own, I want you to just engage with people in the group, okay? If someone asks a question, so let's say Jonas here is an admin, but let's say Jonas is just a regular member of this group, and he says, guys, I am struggling with my mindset lately. I'm feeling very fatigued and I'm procrastinating a lot when I'm trying to get to work. You then reply to Jonas in the group itself so people can see that you are contributing to the group. You say, hi Jonas, I know how you feel. This is how I felt before as well. This is what I done to overcome that. Now I am fit as a daisy, and whatever. I'm great. I feel fine. Then Jonas will reply, thanks man, that's good advice. And then people will see, slowly but surely, people will see you as a authority figure within the mindset community. Then, because people see that you're constantly commenting, they will then click on your profile and either add you as a friend or just out of curiosity go snooping around on your profile. Okay, now why I mentioned that I want the name of our group to be to have our own name in it is so that people will also see our group when they search for our name. Okay, so for example, if you type in Joshua George, you then get Millionaire Mindset Hacks with Joshua George, because that is how we named the group. This is actually my real group, but this, so you can see I'm actually doing this. This is like a real thing. Like, I'm not just preaching to, teaching this. I'm actually doing it myself. But as you can see, Joshua Millionaire Mindset Hacks demo, that comes up when you type in my name. So that is why it's important that you have your name in that group as well. Okay. Now, obviously, because we want people to become part of this group, and we want basically all of the roads to lead to this group. So your personal profile needs to lead to this group, your name needs to lead to this group, and people just need to know that you actually have this group. So what you can do is create a profile funnel of your own Facebook page. Now, like I said, this is not relevant to affiliate marketing whatsoever, but as you can see, this is one of my personal profiles on Facebook, and as you can see, I help aspiring entrepreneurs start online businesses by using Facebook ads, and then you can click here, okay? So my whole profile is a funnel that gets people to book a free strategy call with me. I've also got it in my intro, in the bio here. I've also got the website here, and then I've also got a featured image that says learn how to start and scale social media marketing businesses from your laptop, and then it's got like the arrow pointing to this link, okay? So everywhere on my profile, even if you click on the cover photo, I've got the link here. Even if you click on my profile picture, I've got the link here, okay? You need to create a profile funnel of your Facebook page so that everything leads back to that Facebook group, okay? Then in the Facebook group, you can promote your Clickbank products that are obviously relevant to mindsets, etc. But you can also start promoting other products, okay? Products that are relevant to this group, because you've then created an asset for yourself that you can use and leverage to promote these products. So as soon as we get this group up to, like, let's say 1,000 people or 2,000 people, and you're earning good money from this product, you can then find other products that are relevant to earn money online, millionaire mindset, productivity, etc. Okay, and then start promoting that in the group as well. Okay, then obviously, because you've been gathering emails from people that are in the group, you can also target them via email. So obviously with Facebook, you are sort of dependent on the Facebook algorithm. So what you can then do is send them emails for those that haven't actually seen the post in the group, okay? Because the more people that are in the group, the bigger the group is, the lower the engagement rate will be, because there's always going to be people that are just in the group that don't actually engage, but are just like reading and listening, or sometimes people are in the group but don't actually engage at all. They're not even, they're not even actively a member of the group, and the engagement rate will just slowly go down over time, and then you'll notice that the Facebook algorithm will no longer prefer your group, and will basically no longer show that group in the newsfeed. And then at that point is when you want to start implementing that email list as well, so that for the people that don't actually see your post in the group, they will see your emails that you are sending with your email list. Okay, so that's all I've got for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. A bit of a different type of video, because obviously this is free traffic, but guys, honest to God, this is a very, very effective method to get to earn money online without actually having your own product and by using affiliate marketing without paid traffic. So like to if you got something out of it, comment down below what you'd like to see from this channel next, subscribe to the channel for more, and I'll see you guys in the next video.
Are you struggling with your affiliate marketing business or want to take things to the next level? Allow me to introduce you to Dijs University. Dijs University is the #1 affiliate marketing training platform in the world. Whether you're a beginner or an advanced affiliate marketer, Dijs University offers you thousands of different videos with topics such as Facebook, volume, adplexity, and many more of your favorite topics. Step by step, you will learn the secret super affiliate ways to get the most out of each traffic source. Dominate each vertical with our detailed quick start guides. Are you ready to get started? Click the link in the description to sign up today.